Model, 2019 Volkswagen Transporter T32 Highline 2.0 TDI DSG automatic camper conversion needs repair, no VAT bargain. Body, blue, camper. Mileage, 196,806. MOT, the 16th of June 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 150 PSC. Transmission, DSG automatic. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. Check engine light on the dash. Possible injector issues grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camping area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest camper van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, air-con, parking sensors, sat-nav, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.